Did you have an accident on your mattress? It happens, but you might be able to save it. Whether you spilled wine or coffee, food, or blood, here are some general tips on how to get those stains out. First up, and most obviously, remove all your bedding and toss it in the wash. Then, vacuum the surface of the mattress to remove contaminants such as pet hair and dander, pollen, dust particles, and skin cells. Then, remove any stains. No matter what kind of stain you're dealing with, experiment with the following combinations: 50% water, 50% vinegar, half a tablespoon of dish soap, or 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of dish soap. Or 2 cups of cold water, 1 tablespoon of powdered Tide or your favorite laundry detergent. First, spray the affected area with the stain remover. Then, use a sponge or a soft bristle toothbrush to agitate the stain, loosening the substance from the fibers. After 20 minutes, soak up the liquid using a cloth. Let it dry, and you've done your deep clean. Make sure you use a mattress protector to prevent this situation in the future. It's life-saving in a situation like this, but we hope these tips helped. For more sleep tips and all things bedroom, head on over to BedStory.com. See you next time.